Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a bathroom update, guys. As you can see, the way the bathroom was. And guys, this is my guest bathroom and my kids use it as well. As you can see, the mirror was super ugly. I did a DIY, guys, in the mirror. It was pretty, but right now I want to take it to the next level. As you can see, I added an LED mirror to make the bathroom look so luxuriously expensive. Okay, guys, this video is video collaboration with this company that sent over this mirror for me. Guys, I'm so in love with this mirror. My bathroom looks so beautiful. And guys, the best thing about it, it's not expensive at all. So as you can change your home, if you're on a budget, you don't want to break the bank, this one may be a good option for you guys. As you can see, the packaging, everything is well packed. And my son is the one that doing the unboxing for me because the kids love to do the unboxing just like their mama, and I really love the way they protect your item. So guys, whenever I'm doing a video collaboration, I always do the unboxing to show you what to expect if you order yours. As you can see, the mirror is 24 by 32. It's perfect for my small bathroom, and it comes with everything you need to install it. You don't have to buy nothing else. As you can see, guys, this mirror is very nice. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below if you're looking for something like that. If you want to upgrade your bathroom without breaking the bank, this again may be a good option for you guys. It has 3 colors temperature. You can change it as you want with the help of the touch button. And guys, super nice to have. And it is anti-frog, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can install it vertical or horizontal. Because the way of my bathroom is, vertical is the best option for me. And guys, as you can see, the faucet, I changed the faucet. I didn't like the first one at all. And this one, I got it from Amazon. You can change your faucet and to elevate your bathroom. And guys, for the backsplash, I'm going to use this mirror tile that I get some times ago. And it's a leftover of a previous work that I did on my table. And guys, you can use other backsplash if you don't want too much glam, but me, I love this one first of all, and I didn't have to buy anything else because I already have it home. So, and I love the way it turns out in my bathroom. So if you want to see everything, make sure to watch the video till the end. And guys, I'm going to leave the link of the bathroom mirror in the description box down below. If you're looking for something like that, be sure to check them out. In my previous video, guys, I share with you how I transform the cabinet, and I bought contact paper from Amazon, and you can elevate your home, like I said, without breaking any bank, because I think it cost me only $7 for those contact paper, and I did this 2 years ago and it's still holding on very nice. And after I finished to add contact paper on my cabinet and I did a tile makeover, I changed the tile. It's a best way if you're renting and you want to upgrade the place that you live in. Even if you're not renting, guys, it's another good way to, if you don't want to go under a major construction work. And this one cost me less than $20 because I bought 2 boxes of tile. At the time it was $10 each, and I didn't use 2 boxes. I use a box and couple tiles. So guys, it's a very good way if you want to upgrade your home without breaking the bank. This will do the trick. So I was able to upgrade the bathroom with less than $150. So when you go eat out in a restaurant, that can go in one night. Imagine I have this one for a super long time, so it's well spent money. And this wall art, I got it from Home Goods a while back, like 4 years ago, but I was tired with the blue and I didn't want to spend more money, and I just painted black. I had this oil paint at home for some times ago, so I never use it, and I said today is the day for me to just paint it, and then it's matte black, and I love the way it turns out. It go perfectly with the decor, and it's on the best way again to upgrade your home without spending too much money. And I love to wear to add curtain into my decor, my bathroom decor. So it is, this part is optional, you don't have to, but me, that's what I love. I just put it this way. But if you somebody that don't want too many extraness, you don't have to put the black curtain or any curtain at all. So me, that's what I love, and I put it this way. And guys, I didn't want too much flower, even I love flowers. I decided to add greenery. I bought this little vase, I think for $2 at the thrift store. I spray painted black, and this little tray is my DIY, and I just add the washcloth, and then just very useful and elevate the look as well. This candle smells amazing. I get it from Burlington. It was $5.99, I guess, but it smelled amazing. To remove the wrinkle in my shower curtain or anything I want to iron, I use this. It's super good, and you don't have to do too much work. Just heat it up, and all the wrinkle be gone within second. And I really love to use it, guys. That's the best way for me to remove wrinkles, so you don't see your shower curtain or your bed sheet, your anything, your clothes without wrinkle. It's beautiful. And guys, as you can see, I'm removing everything. I really love how everything turns out, guys. This is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, guys. If you like it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, DIY, vlog. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I would never be where I am today. I'm really grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Guys, I add this extra mirror in the bathroom because I love looking at myself when I'm going out, because those things never lie. And if you have a guest coming over, it's very handy to have this in your bathroom, because it's the other mirror you can see your face, but to be able to see your full body, it's very nice as well. As you can see, the mirror is very useful and make the bathroom look good as well. And those beautiful flowers, guys, you know, it's not fall yet, but I want to be prepared for fall, because I'm not sure I'm going to change the design yet, but I just get myself ready for fall. Those beautiful wall art, I get them from Burlington, and the towel as well. I didn't want to add black towel. I think those ones are perfect for this decor. What do you think? Let me know down below. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. C'est la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partagez vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça montre nous qui gens ou qu'à décorer caillou sans pas dépenser un peu corps et mettre caillou vraiment belle. Et ce n'est pas la première fois, je vous remercie un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi, j'aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!